Hello and welcome to MATHSPEDIA, a math learning hub. And I'm Meena, your math guide. Let's locate under root 2 and under root 3 on a number line. For that, I have already drawn and marked the numbers on a number line. Now, I'll mark 0 as O and 1 as A. So that means this OA is 1 centimeter. Now at A, I will draw a perpendicular, say it's of 1 centimeter again. So this is AB. I will join OB. As you can see, at A it is 90-degree angle. So I have to find OB now. AB also is 1 centimeter. So for that, I need to use Pythagoras theorem. That means OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square. Each is 1, so 1 square plus 1 square equals 2. So your OB square equals 2. Therefore, OB is equal to root 2. So here is your root 2 as OB. Now what I will do is, I'll place the pointer of compass at O and stretch the pencil till B. That means I am taking OB as a radius and O is my center. Okay. Now what I will do is, I'll just cut an arc on the number line. Now wherever it cuts, let's name it as P. So your OP is nothing but under root 2. That is, you can say, equals approximately 1.41 centimeter approx. Now let's locate root 3. So for root 3, you need to do this much. So that means you have to first locate root 2 and then after you will continue further. So what I will do is, now that I will again draw one more perpendicular at B, that is again of 1 centimeter long. So let's name it as BC. So this C and this is 1 centimeter again. I'm joining OC. Same method, you have to find OC. So OC square equals OB square plus BC square. OB just now we found, it is root 2 square plus 1 square. That means 2 plus 1 equals 3. This is your OC square. Therefore, OC equals under root 3. So this is your under root 3. Same method, what I'll do is, I'll keep my pointer at O and stretch it till C like this, and then mark a cut at on number line like this, right? And wherever it cuts, let's name it now as Q. So OQ is your required root 3 and root 3 is equals to approx, you can say, 1.73 centimeters. Let's measure whether OP and OQ are 1.41 and 1.673 respectively or not. As you can see, this is my 2 here and this is 1.5. So it is before 1.5, here is 1.4, and then after 5, 6, 7. This is my Q, 7. So it is 1.73 exactly. So for root 2, you will follow this step 1. Then after for root 3, the first step, and then after the second step. So we have already seen how to locate root 2 and root 3 on number line. And in both the cases we took base. Base means from 0 to some number whichever we are taking, like say O to A, so that we took it as 1 centimeter. And but if you need to locate root 5 to root 8, any of these 4 numbers on a number line, in that case you will take base, that means OA will be 2 centimeter long. Why so? Because under root 4 is 2 centimeter. So that means root 5 is more than under root 4 but less than under root 9, that means 3. So the number will fall between 2 and 3. Root 5, root 6, root 7, root 8 all will be between 2 and 3. Similarly, if you need to locate root 10 to root 15, any of the numbers, your base will be 3. Similarly, under root 17 till under root 24, your base will be 4 centimeter. Now I'll just show you how to locate root 7, and then similarly you can do the other numbers. Now for root 7, I need to take base as 2 centimeter. So let's say 0 is my O and 2 is my A. So this is 2 centimeter. Now at 2, I'll take the perpendicular, I'll draw a perpendicular of 1 centimeter long. So this is my B. Now similar way, I will join O and B, right? And I'll find, this is my 1 centimeter. I'll find OB is equal to, I'll directly write the numbers. Now it is 2 square plus 1 square. So this is equals to 5. Therefore, OB equals to root 5. This is your OB square. So this is your root 5. But I don't need root 5. If I need root 5, I'll just simply place my pointer of the compass at O and stretch it till B and then mark it over here. But I need root 7. So what I'll do is I'll simply draw one more perpendicular at B, and that will be of 1 centimeter long again. So this is my 1 centimeter. This is C. Again I'll connect O and C. So this time OC square will be equals to, because my OB square is root 5. So root 5 square plus 1 square. That will be 6. Therefore OC is equals to under root 6. So this is my root 6. Similarly, one more perpendicular because I need root 7. So for that, 1 centimeter long perpendicular at C. Let's name it as D. Connect OD. And what is OD now? OD square is equals to your OC. OC is your root 6 square plus 1 square. That means 7. So therefore OD is equals to root 7. Here it is your root 7. Now what you will do is, you will place the compass point at O, stretch it till D, and then just mark on line, right? And name it as, say, P. So OP is your required root 7, and that will be approx, say, 2.6 something. And this is how you locate all the root numbers, and if you keep locating them like this, you'll get a nice spiral shape. Thank you for watching.